Here we go, text to column in Excel. Today we are going to understand text to column function. Just see the data. In this data we can see there is a RAM, thereafter there is a title, then male or female, then in which department he is, and in city. All are merged data with the help of comma. So just to separate these all the data, we need to use text to column. Just go to data tab, then text to column, and before that just wait, we need 1 2 3 4 5 columns in this. Just insert column over here and make this area little closer. Then we need one more column here. Okay. So now you just see, just go through the data tab and then click on text to column, and no, sorry, before that we need to select the data. We just selected the data and then we went to text to column, then click delimited and then click next. Then here is the data shown for you. Now if we convert this text to column wise, then we use comma, and when we clicked on comma, the name, the title, the male, female, and department and city got separated. And now click on next. Where you want to paste the data, just select this data, this date, and then just click on over here. Here it is. You just see all the data is separated. Thanks a lot. This is the small tutorial on text to column. Thanks. Goodbye.